Hello everybody, welcome to the second episode on CPA course, and in this episode I'm gonna show you how to pick an offer on CpaGrip. Okay, let's roll the intro. Okay, now as you can see, I just created a brand new CpaGrip account, and you can use any other CPA network that I showed you in a previous video. So for a perfect purpose of this video, I'm gonna to make this short, go to my offers, and you can just here pick a country that for example this United States, that when you promote you have to have this traffic from this country, right? They're gonna convert from this country, right? United States, for example. And this is like offers for free traffic that later in the next videos I'm gonna show you is not so good, because we basically don't know if it's person from United States in this example, and how you could pick an offer that it's well converting. It's basically you watch this net EPC. It's basically how much money you get per click, right? Estimate money per click. So basically if it's this high, that's better for you, because you can earn money if someone just clicks on it, click on your link. And net CR, it's basically how well is this converting this offer. So if it's basically above 20%, it's really good. For example, this offer, start playing MPL games now, is basically really good to promote. But in our case, that we are going to promote on Instagram, Facebook, we basically don't know if it's person behind the screen from United States. You can target in looking for some groups specific United States, but it's not guaranteed. So this category, let's show you like category email submit. That's basically someone submit an email. This basically for any other CPA networks that I showed you is basically similar. For example, for Max Bounty has way more offers, but this is also CpaGrip really good. So you can pick an offer. This is well converting, and basically just copy link and paste it somewhere else. And for example, if I visit this loading offer, I'm gonna redirect it to some other offers that are available in my country. So yeah, but basically what we're going to do, for example, in on Instagram, is that and one more thing to say. For example, email submit is basically really good for free traffic, because it's easy. If you if people need to type it in, like or install mobile devices, or there's a like I don't know, all country, let's go all countries, and basically what we're going to do is that we need to pick an offer that is email submit, because it's easy to convert. Pin submit is all it's a little bit, but this one is well converting, for example. But it's Netherlands country. So we cannot target this audience. If you have paid ads, that's really good. If you are planning to spend some money and in return you can, that's really good because you can target the specific audience. So what we're going to do is that you pick an offer. Now you can choose that like that, and some CPA networks are different, you can figure it out, and there is in some CPA restrictions. They say like no incentivized traffic, excuse me, or no social media. If they say no social media, you cannot promote that on social media, and you have to stick to these rules because they can ban your account. But for our purposes is that URL file lockers, and we can on this we can make basically some other content behind these lockers that are really valuable for a person, and we can that promote. It doesn't matter if it's person from any countries, because they're gonna show them offers specific for their country. This is like all offers, for example, and you can lock some valuable content behind this. So you templates, and this is basically, you can figure it out, but basically there's a lot of CpaGrip templates, and you can find more and more templates. There is basically Flash, online game generator, Simply Human free trial, and what you're going to do is, for example, if you are good example for free traffic on Instagram is IDPLR. I think is that, yes. It's basically a site where you can find free ebooks, videos, graphics, templates, articles, audios, softwares, free products, free ebooks, free softwares, free videos, free audio, free graphics, templates, and you can basically content lock this and put it and promote it on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and so on, and basically make a whole account for this product, free product, and you can basically this is CpaLead, and for CpaLead I'm gonna show you in CpaLead. For CpaLead there's a file lockers create, for example, for books, ebooks. There's a basically template to use, and just type it all information from this, for example this book, type it all that type it all information and just paste it like there. Paste it, ebook brand title, just pick it, chatbot marketing mastery, and paste it. I'm not gonna show you that, and just save and preview, and you can page name, book, it doesn't matter, ebook, and save and preview. Let's go wait. Let's go like that. Doesn't matter now. You can preview it, and you can just pick the image, copy the same image, save it, and just put it right there. This is for good, but you can also do it in CpaGrip. It doesn't matter, because they have like these templates. Just find a template that's suitable for your offer, for the content you're locking, right? And just pick that, and in the next videos I'm gonna show you how to promote. for offers, just pick the right for the offers. Just you have to for the method that I'm gonna show you in this course, offers that are in specific targeted for one country are not really good to promote, but you can because there's a lot of, you don't know the person behind the screen from where he is or she. So for this you can go URL file lockers and create one, and find for IDPLR and find or for example free software. And I'm gonna in the next videos show you how to promote on Instagram and then later Facebook. And that's for this video. This is the IDPLR, and yeah, so that's for this video. I hope you find a value in this video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.